Hey guys, this is our Queen Esther Day 3 lesson. So just as a recap or review, there was a beautiful girl named Esther, and she was a Jew. She lived with her cousin Mordecai. During this time, the Jews did not live in their own land, but they lived in a foreign land with a foreign king. The king of this land wanted to have the most beautiful girl in the kingdom to be his queen. So all of the girls in the land were gathered up and brought to him. When the king saw how beautiful Esther was, he immediately wanted her to be the queen. He married Esther and made her his queen. One day, Esther's cousin Mordecai overheard two men talking about a plan to hurt the king. He told Esther right away. Esther went and told the king immediately. The king caught the two men and had them punished. Then the king had Mordecai's name written down in a special book. The king had a helper named Haman. Haman chose to do very bad things. Haman wanted everyone in the kingdom to bow before him so they knew just how important he was. When Haman walked past Mordecai, Mordecai did not bow to him. This made Haman so angry that he wanted to hurt Mordecai. And so one day Haman found out that Mordecai was a Jew, and he came up with a plan to hurt the Jews. He told the king about his plan. And Haman told the king that the Jews were being bad in the kingdom. He lied and said that the Jews were causing all sorts of trouble in the kingdom. And so Haman then proposed a plan to the king. He got the king to sign a law that on a certain day the kingdom would fight against the Jews and hurt them. Haman spread the news to the entire kingdom, and when Mordecai heard the news, he immediately told Esther. Mordecai sent a message to Esther and told her about Haman's plan. He told Esther to go to the king and to stop Haman. But Esther was afraid because you were only supposed to go to the king if you were called to go to the king. Mordecai encouraged Esther by telling her that maybe this is the very reason why God allowed her to become queen, so that she could help Mordecai save her people, the Jews. We're going to find out what happens tomorrow. All right, guys, see you later.